Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we'll be preparing Asun coconut rice. So let's get right into the business. So first things, heat up some vegetable oil because we are trying to prepare the rice first. Then go in with some nicely chopped onion, some curry powder, some thyme and bay leaves. We are trying to build the flavor profile of the dish. Then go in with your tin tomatoes, which you have to fry to remove the tangent taste. So fry this for some minutes before going in with your chopped fresh tomatoes. Give it a good stir and allow to fry. Then go in with some habanero pepper. Then at this point, just season your stew base to taste. Then the magical ingredient also is the coconut flavor. This will elevate the taste. Then go in with your washed rice. Give it a good stir. If you're in the kitchen right now, like everywhere is so aromatic because of the flavor already added. Then go in with your canned coconut milk or your coconut milk that you processed at home. Give it a good stir also before going in with your already boiled hot water. Stir to combine. At this point, please taste and adjust seasoning where necessary, just as you see me do. Go in with your meat stock, some salt, stir to combine and allow to boil. So while that is going on, let's prepare our asun. So in a pan, go in with some vegetable oil, your already pre-cooked goat meat, that is the asun. Allow this to fry for some minutes and take out. Then in the same oil, go in with some chopped onion, some tomatoes, that's fresh tomatoes. Season these tomatoes with some seasoning cube, habanero pepper, curry powder, and then some coconut milk flavor. Stir to combine together before going in at this point with your already pre-fried asun. Stir together and then going with your nicely diced carrots, some spring onion, and then set that aside. So let's go back to the rice. So at this point, the rice is already ready, and then we need to pour in the already prepared asin sauce. So pour this in, gently combine together, and at this point, your very delicious asin coconut rice is ready. So top with some spring onion, start to combine, and your delicious rice is ready. If you want to make this meal, please do well to try it because your family would love it. Like and follow for more. Bye.